everyone, Leslie here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I was looking at my Etsy shop and it dawned on me that I am not using the Etsy shop updates to my advantage. And so I thought I would do a little tutorial on one, how you can do the Etsy shop updates, and two, why that could be helpful to your shop. So stay tuned and let's get started. So what exactly is an Etsy shop update? Etsy has provided a shop update as a social networking platform on your Etsy shop site. So what happens is that every time someone favorites one of your items, or they favorite your shop, or they purchase one of your items, every time you do an update, it's going to show up on their home page. Etsy shop updates will help you connect with your customer base and increase customer trust in your products. And it also helps you stay relevant by staying on top of their mind by doing at least a weekly update on your Etsy shop updates, and it could ultimately increase the views and sales in your shop. So how do you do these Etsy shop updates? Well, the first thing you need to know is that you can only do these updates on the Sell on Etsy app with your iOS or Android cell phone. So if you don't already have it, go ahead and download the Sell on Etsy app on your iOS or Android. Now that you've downloaded the app, go ahead and click on it to open up the program. Once opened, you want to click on the More button at the very bottom of the application. Now click on Social Media on the left side of your screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page to see the section that says Shop Updates. Notice how Etsy gives you 3 choices for posting your updates. 1 is something about your workspace. 2, maybe something about the process of making your item, or show your item in the wild. So click on one of those and it's going to take you to your photos on your phone, and you can choose the photo that you've set up on your phone for the update. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to link it to an item in your shop. See that little Etsy tag on my update? That shows that I directly linked this particular update to that item in my shop. So somebody can click on this update and it'll take them directly to that item. Side note, I created this update about a really nice customer review using the Canva app. And there's really no limit to what you can do on your updates. Here's some examples. I did this one about the process. I created a new little bodysuit on the heat press. So that's the heat press in the background, just showing the process. Here's another one, something about making a tutu on a Saturday afternoon, just showing a little bit about the process, and helps people to trust that these items are really handmade. So a recap. Periodic Etsy shop updates will help your customers connect with you, increase their trust in your products, and help keep you on their mind while increasing views that hopefully convert to sales.